This is Tom here at catpetshop.com, and this is the Isaba cat scratcher. We're just going to do a real quick demo of this one, just show you what it's about and how to put it together. It's been really popular as this particular scratcher this year. So this is exactly as it would come. This is exactly as it comes in this box here. If you're opening these with a knife, you really need to be careful that you don't cut anything. This out here. Different pieces out of the box. We've got all the different fixings here. Bring these across, see whether you can see. There's everything that you need in this. You've got 3 screws there with a flat head there for the bottom. You've got 2 rounded head, they go up at the top, and you've got the Allen key as well. There's everything that you need. To start off with, I'll take the base. Just flip that over. Push these screws through here. Real handy to keep the box close by, because the pitch is really useful for figuring out where everything goes. So this bolt's at the front here. It's going to take this scratch short post. There's a little recess on the base which just takes the head of the bolt. You can over tighten these bolts. If you really screw them in, it will actually damage the scratcher. So as long as it's nice and sturdy, you know that you're close enough. Just switch things around a bit there. So this little platform bed goes at the base here, and there's actually it's like a little screw thread in the bottom there, which it just screws onto this post. Just get it started. I like to get the little lip there just towards the front of that scratcher, and then the tray at the top. We've got the 2 round headed bolts here. Line those up. What I find best with these is actually just to start both bolts while it's, before you tighten one all the way up, just get both bolts started into the screw, and then you can just go ahead and tighten them down. And that's it, as simple as that. This isn't a very sturdy table, but it really is a good platform, especially when it's down on the deck. Obviously this fur is just a little bit flattened from where it's been in the box, but you just give that a brush over and it looks great. I can show you a bit closer up. We're just in part of the warehouse here, so there's all sorts going on in the background, but it's really a nice little scratcher and 2 big poles, and all the reviews we're getting on these is really good.